Hello everyone, this is going to be an unboxing of the RLC 523WA. Okay, so to get started, got this camera, not my first Reolink camera. We're going to try and make this quick and simple. It's going to be unboxing and setup of this, and then of course I'll have a longer term review. There's of course, if you're watching from my Tesla content, obviously not my normal content here. But yeah, it's this is what I like to do, and we're gonna take a look. So let's go ahead and break the seal here. Open this up. So like I was saying, I bought this with my own money. It's not sponsored by Reolink as much as I wish it was. Hey, if you're watching Reolink, I will totally take a sponsorship if you want to send me some more cameras to review. This is my actual third camera I've bought from my own place, and then gotten 2 for my parents, so I've bought 5 of these cameras. As you can tell, pretty much I'm a fan. Sorry about that. My camera stopped recording, but yeah, they're at a very reasonable price, and so I'm gonna get them. So this is a mounting bracket for mounting the camera. This is a little surveillance sticker if you want that. This is a quick start guide, which we're gonna go through, and yeah. I need to get this out. The other 2 cameras I have, one is a solar power one, and one is just another bullet camera that is a wired camera. This one has, as well as my bullet camera, has AI to do vehicle and person detection, which is what I want. But this one also can cover a lot larger area. So we have our power extension cable. I also bought another extension. This is going up very high. Up, I think, attached to a tree, that's what I'm thinking. Includes an Ethernet cable, some mounting brackets and screws, bracket, the power cable. Oh yeah, they even include an extension, so good, I'll have 2 extensions. So hopefully I might not even need, might only need the one, that's good. I might need the other one for the other camera. And then, last but not least, ooh, this is heavy. We got our camera here. Metal bracket. I'm glad because this is quite heavy. Pretty sweet camera. So, as you can see here, this is the only difference between this and their $100 one. I got this for $200. Is that this one has these huge LEDs on the front. For night vision. So this is going to be seen at a distance which is fairly dark, and so the night vision for me is going to be a necessary thing. So I basically just paid an extra $100 for the night vision. Otherwise, the video quality and everything else. Oh, and also another 2x zoom. This is a 5x zoom, and the cheaper one is a 3x zoom. So where I'm mounting it, I just decided to go ahead and get what was needed to get the best quality for the area I was looking to mount. So it's going to be mounted somewhat like this, with the tree back here, way up in the air, and it should be able to turn around and view basically the whole property, well, most of it. The part that matters the most. Ignore my weird way to prop up the camera for right now. I'm going to go ahead and hook up our antennas first, and then we will go ahead and power up the camera. We'll go through the setup, you and me together. So if you look here, it has your Ethernet port. It has a little just button to control the camera. It actually has a ground on this one. It's pretty cool. Let's see if we can connect that to something, and of course your power. What I'm going to do is go ahead and power it up. I suspect it's going to turn. Here you go. Move this stuff out of the way. Kind of a cool sound. I've set up several of these before. It's not exactly level right now, so I'm not sure if that's going to make a difference or not. So what you're going to do is open up the Reolink app. But yeah, we're going to click the plus right here. And so we have to scan the barcode on the camera itself somewhere. So on the back side right here is the QR code. Okay. say add a device, connecting to your device. Connection failed. Please make sure your device is powered on and connected to a stable network. So it's not going to be connected yet to Wi-Fi. We're trying to set it up Wi-Fi. And it wants to, I think the default is to do a wired connection. I had to actually set it up through LAN. You can see I hooked up an Ethernet cable and kind of had to run it out to my kitchen real quick. It's already been added. Yeah, if you're doing a wired network, it adds it right away. So it's like super easy. Wi-Fi, for whatever reason, doesn't seem to want to work right away. So you might have to connect it through a wired network first to get this to work. So once you have a device, see if we can get it to, there we go. So I'm going to go, you need to set your username and password for the device. I'm going to type that now. And just to be clear, this is different from your account password. So this is the password to access the camera itself. Okay, name this camera. This is going to be yard camera. If I can spell that right. And we want this on the MEC is the 2.4 gigahertz network, so that should be the longest range. Now we are already set up. Basically that simple. So that was on the wired network. Let's see if it reconnects us. That actually didn't connect to the Wi-Fi. You're going through this with me, everyone. Obviously it's not going to be the best setup, but you want to see this is the truth about this system. Not trying to make it all fancy and everything. Okay, everyone. I just had to type my Wi-Fi password in wrong. As you can see, oh, yeah, sorry, I'm trying to look at the screen. As you can see, the Ethernet has been disconnected, and we are now with our camera. So obviously, I'm gonna cut and splice and everything else on this. So you turn it all the way around. You can see us. Can you go up? Get out of the way, and you can see. Oh, where's the camera at? There it is. There we are. There. But yeah, so we're gonna play around with this a little bit. I think in the full review, I'm gonna do all the overview. I just want to give kind of a setup, what it looks like to set this thing up. And now it's cue on to the outdoors. Hello everyone. I'm just giving an update on my camera. If you can see up here. You can see the camera is now installed, just in case for some reason that did not find that spot. That's just about as high as I've felt comfortable going with a ladder. I'm not great with heights myself, but that seems to be about good enough. Obviously, I'm going to overlay some video of what it can see up above. So basically, yeah, I can see all the way back to just before that point, so right about here is where it can see. And then I can see, of course, all the way across, all the way through here, my whole house, all the way down the driveway, all the way down here, all the way down, and all the way back to this shed right here. So I can see all of that. And so, yeah, I'm going to test out some of the night vision and stuff, and that will be on the review. If you have questions for the review, please put them down in the comments below, and I'll see you on that video. Thanks, guys.